NCERT Exemplar Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 8, Exercise 8.3, Question number 13. Show that cos square of 45 degrees plus theta plus cos square of 45 degrees minus theta by tan of 60 degrees plus theta into tan of 30 degrees minus theta is equal to 1. Let us take the LHS value, which is cos square of 45 degrees plus theta plus cos square of 45 degrees minus theta by tan of 60 degrees plus theta into tan of 30 degrees minus theta. Cos square of 45 degrees plus theta plus, now let us write this cos in terms of sine. We know that cos x is equal to sine of 90 degrees minus x. Let us take x is equal to 45 degrees minus theta. Cos of 45 degrees minus theta is equal to sine of 90 degrees minus x, where x is 45 degrees minus theta. Sine of 90 minus 45 plus theta, that is equal to sine of 45 degrees plus theta. Now let us write cos of 45 degrees minus theta as sine of 45 degrees plus theta. Sine square of 45 degrees plus theta, because we got cos square, divided by tan of 60 degrees plus theta into, now let us write this tan in terms of cot. We know that tan x is equal to cot of 90 degrees minus x. Let x be 30 degrees minus theta. Then tan of 30 degrees minus theta is equal to cot of 90 degrees minus x is 30 degrees minus theta. 90 minus 30 plus theta, that is equal to cot of 60 degrees plus theta. Therefore, we can write tan of 30 degrees minus theta as cot of 60 degrees plus theta. Numerator is of the form cos square x plus sin square x, where x is 45 degrees plus theta. Therefore, we can write it as 1. In the denominator, it is of the form tan x into cot x, which is equal to 1. 1 by 1 is 1, which is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, we have shown that cos square of 45 degrees plus theta plus cos square of 45 degrees minus theta divided by tan of 60 degrees plus theta into tan of 30 degrees minus theta is equal to 1.